Hey everyone, in this video we are diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing. Whether you are a student or just curious about technology, this video will give you an understanding of what is 3D printing and how it works. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is the process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital 3D model. 3D printing is a process in which material is joined under a computer control to create three-dimensional object, with material being added together. This technology is an evolution and has transformed the way we design, prototype, and manufacture the products. 3D printing is a process suitable for production or prototypes and used for rapid prototyping. It is one of the popular and best technology for production of complex parts, shapes, and geometries. 3D printing builds objects layer by layer. It all starts by making a 3D model. You need to create a 3D model that is three-dimensional objects from a computer-aided design CAD model from a 3D CAD modeling software. And there is also a way to create 3D models from 3D scanners. Once you have your digital CAD model, the model can be saved in STL or OBJ file format for 3D printing. The 3D printer reads the file and slicing up a 3D model into hundreds of layers from a slicing software to get ready your file for 3D printing. A wide range of materials can be used for 3D printing, includes plastics, metals, ceramics, and even food. Plastic is one of the most common material used for 3D printing, from prototyping to the finished product. 3D printing technology is widely used in today's world. It is used across a wide range of industries, from aerospace and automotive to healthcare and fashion. Automotives or car manufacturing companies are used 3D printing technology since long to 3D print their spare parts, tools, and mechanical parts. The aviation industry uses 3D printing for various purposes to print fuel nozzles for engine parts. It is also widely used in the field of architecture and construction to develop 3D printed models or prototypes of houses and much more. The possibilities of 3D printing are endless. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it everyone. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.